Hey guys, welcome back, or if you're new here, then welcome to my channel. So today I did a very fun springtime look with some bright colors from my NYX Ultimate Brights Palette. I was really inspired by the weather because here in Canada, when it goes above 0 degrees, then it's springtime. So anyways, if you want to see how I got this look, then just go ahead and keep on watching. Hey guys, so to start off this look, I'm going to use the lilac shade and the darker purple shade to put in my crease and the outer half of my eyelid. That footage of me doing it actually got deleted somehow, so just kind of show you what I'm doing a little bit here. Just using two brushes to blend in the crease and then blend in the outer corner. And then next, with a more precise brush, I'm going to take that darker purple color and put it into the very outer V, right on top and a little bit lower of that more medium purple shade. So when I do blend darker colors, I like to use kind of like patting motions and a little bit of gentle patting with blending. I don't really pack on the color too heavy, I build it up slowly over time. Next, with a really dense packing brush, I'm going to take the bottom bright yellow color and pack it all over my lid. I kind of wish that I actually cut my crease earlier just because the concealer would help brighten the yellow and make it stand out more, but instead I just packed on a few layers of this yellow color. And then I'm going to take the orange kind of yellow shade and just help blend the purple and the bright yellow together. And you just keep going back and forth between all the colors, the yellow, the orange yellow, and the dark purple, and just help intensify the colors and then blend out any harsh edges. And here I was out of frame, but I put on some wing eyeliner with my Essence eyeliner, and next popping on some Ardell false lashes. And to help blend my real lashes with the fake ones, I'm just putting on a light layer of the L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara. Okay, now moving on to the face, I'm going to prime my face using the Hard Candy Coconut Water Priming Stick. And for foundation, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me in shade 128. And this is where I realize I don't have my sponge. Okay, so now that I got the sponge, I'm going to put on the foundation and blend that out. And here I'm having a quick conversation with my mom while I'm blending. And now going in with the Tarte Shape Tape. I don't think I've used any other concealer since I bought these, but I'm using shade Light Sand first and then Light Medium to help even out the two colors. And just putting those places where I would normally highlight and conceal. Help set that concealer, I'm going to lightly bake under my eyes with the Kat Von D Lock-It Brightening Powder and Petal, and then setting the rest of my face with my Wet n Wild Photo Focus powder. To contour and bronze, I'm going to use my NYX Contour and Highlight Palette, and first going in with the shade Toffee to help contour. And bronzing now with the shade Tan. And another interruption was my camera battery dying in the middle of this video. So for blush today, I'm going to use the Milani Flower Blush in Tea Rose. And for highlight, I'm going to use the Sephora Luminizing Radiant Drops or Dew Drops in Morning Light. I love applying these with my sponge. It helps blend them out so nicely and makes your face look really dewy and wet. Okay, now we're going to go back to the lower lash line. So I'm taking a little bit of the lighter green and the bright yellow we had on the lid just to put some color initially on the lower lash line. And then I'm going in with the darker green to help define the outer corners and blend it out with the lighter green and the yellow. And to help brighten and widen my eyes, I'm going to use the Rimmel Nude Exaggerate eye pencil. So it was hard to do it with just one hand, so I ended up putting that on off camera and showing you here. And next, just to add a little bit of brightness in the inner corner, I'm going to use my NYX Crystal Body Glitter in the shade Silk and just layer that little by little on the inner corner. Okay, last step is lips, and first I'm going to use the e.l.f. Matte Lip Color in Tea Rose. And then to help lighten it, I'm going to put on some Rimmel Lasting Finish Lipstick in 42. This here's the finished look, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.